Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We all take screenshots for certain important things in our mobile phone. And have you ever wondered how to take screenshot in Samsung Galaxy? Well, you have come to the right place. If you are wondering how to take screenshot in a Samsung phone, then this video will solve the question. Let's see how can we take this. Guys, here I am having Samsung Galaxy A12 mobile phone. So let's see how can we take screenshot in Samsung Galaxy A12. So first of all, let me say that there are two methods in which you can take screenshot in these kinds of mobile phone. So both are really easy, you can just do it. But let's see what the first method is. So for the first method, you need to open your settings. Then you need to scroll down to find accessibility. So if you tap on it, you can just see there is an option saying interactions and dexterity. So you need to tap on it. So once you tap on it, there will be plenty of options. So you can see the second one saying assistant menu. So you just need to tap on it. That is, you need to enable that particular option. So if you enable it, you can just see that there is just like a 4 box over here. Small, just like a 4 box over here. This particular symbol over there. So if you tap on it, you can see plenty of options. So here you can see there are a lot of options over here. So the second part, if you look, you can see screenshot option over here. So if you tap on it, you can just see that the screenshot has been captured. So this is the first method in which you can capture it. So you can see that this particular assistant menu will be all the time in the screen. So it can be all. The second method is using the power key and also the volume key. So let's see
the next method. If you need to capture a screenshot, you can see the side keys over here. So in the side keys, you can see the volume key and also the power key over here. All of the same time, if you press like this, you will be able to take the screenshot.